The Chicagoland Beef Burrito Bowl Index is about $12, with the ingredients being seasoned beef taco meat, cilantro, lime, avocado, Roma tomato, shallots, some queso sauce, and some rice. Oh, don't forget the garlic. This recipe feeds about 2 people for dinner. That makes it out to be $6 a person. In Chicago, we're pretty fortunate to have a couple grocery stores like Cermak Fresh and Pete's Market where you can pretty much just walk in and find a ripe avocado just to make guacamole that day. When making guacamole or salsa, I don't even bother adding salt to it anymore. Especially in this dish, with the queso and the seasoned beef taco meat, there's already plenty of salt to go around. Are there any unsalted chips that people like? Let me know in the comments. Oh, by the way, if you're not in the mood for rice, for 65 cents you can just get a freshly baked sesame seed roll and make yourself a pretty awesome torta.